you need is a coach that can help show you how to set up your own healthcare business. But you have to put the work in, because that's the way it will work. For those that have been successful, it's because they've put the work in and not expected things to just manifest and happen for them. It has to be a two-way street. And you also have to understand the documentation that's needed, but also you've got to be compliant as well. Because if you're not compliant, then you will lose a contract. They will not give you a contract if you're not compliant. So the same with when you're doing a franchise, for example. You have to make sure all your paperwork is in order, which they provide you with the documentation. They provide you with the paperwork, so it is in order, so that you're not spending months and months trying to figure things out for yourself. However, you are tied to how they do things, and you have to use their branding. And also, you have to give a percentage of your revenue when you do a franchise. Whereas when you don't do a franchise and it's your own business model, for example, then the money that you earn goes into your business 100%.